Hello. Today, let's talk about how to use an air fryer with dual basket technology. Because often today on the market, the air fryers are really nice devices. The appliance there is moving forward to a new art of air frying. That means there are two baskets included. Here, this machine is, for example, from GTPLAYER, but the others are already nearly the same working as well. We have one basket with what is a big capacity of 4 liter, and the small basket is for 1 up to 2 people, and this brings us 1.5 liter of volume. Of course, you can handle it like this. You make one main meal in the big warm basket, and the smaller part of the meal, the meat, for example, in the small basket. So you can add them together on the plate if they are ready, and have fun. And a delicious meal is for you to serve. Okay. Let's go. We have 2 baskets. Let's start with the preparation of the first basket. This is the large basket, yeah? This basket is really nice for storing too. The small one, it's the same. Because here is a plate. Yeah, that means inside there can be your meal. And you will finish this at the office or something else. No problem for it. So pre-cook it at home with the air fryer. Or you take the air fryer with into the office. That's possible too, of course. Then for later, we can get the cover on top and get this into the freezer, in the fridge, or something else. Yeah, to store it for later. Wonderful. You can also get this in a micro oven. It is micro oven ready, no problem. So this is for storing. It's the same here with the small basket. You can get this on top and lock it, lock, and get this in storage too. Okay, but let's go a little bit step back, because we are going to make now, for example, delicious meals with this air fry machine. Okay, we should not place your food into this container without a lift plate. Really important. For this, there are plates included, and these are on little steps. And we are now get this into the baskets, and we are performing this in the small area the same, but with a smaller lifter. And then you can see there is so much space between the bottom and the food, which we place on top. That means if in the process of the air frying something drops to the bottom, it will be not comes in contact with the meal again. Wow, that's nice. So let's now add the food, for example, like that cheeseburger here. Delicious, but a little bit cold. Get it in the center, for example, or throw it in the basket. And in the small one, we choose a small step. A meat step made out of chicken or plant-based, a nugget, for example. You can perform other meals with that too, of course. So here we are now. And of course, you can add 3 cheeseburgers, or I think here 5 up to 8 nuggets, for example. Then, of course, it is not a good idea to get this glass container with contact with the floor, because if we are starting the air frying process, this will be hot. So for this, there is an exoskeleton. This skeleton, or this lifter body, is to get this on steps, a little bit step above the bottom for a better handling. Okay, let's get this in position. Here are so little plates, and these plates we have to get in contact with the outer line. Then we have to push this a little bit back to lock this system into it. And now we can carry this easy peasy. With the small one, it is a little bit easier, as you can see. You get this in the center, job's done, okay? Yeah, because this is not so heavy like that. Okay, next step is we have the 2 baskets now ready for cooking, for air frying. And now the air fryer is there. The air fryer comes with a hot area underneath, and over this hot area, this panel which will generate heat, there is a ventilator, a fan on the, above it, and this will blow the hot steam or the hot air onto the meal. Okay, so we can get the air fryer on top, and you will see what happened next. The next step is, of course, it is ready for cooking. So we can push here the start button. And now we see that there is 4 menus we can choose from. Now it's bake. We can stop menu or time buttons. There is a touch. We go to the next menu. This is, what is this? Request. Yeah. So the request option should be the best for our nuggets, for example. Next menu is maximum crisp. Yeah, the maximum crisp is really nice for chicken or something else. Then air fry. This is the standard air fry option. Okay, and then we are able to make plus and minus. If we push plus and minus while the temperature is in the screen, we can choose down or up. Of course, we can rise up or go down with the temperature setting here. And then, of course, after this, we can push again the time and switch between time and temperature. So we can choose here another time to go down or go up with the temperature, and go down or up with a timer function. And after we are done with it, we can start and stop this process by pushing the start and stop button, and it will be start. The air fryers are really silent today, isn't it? Tell me in the comment what you like more. This or these basket ones with the basket which we can go in and out of the machine. I think this is a really good thing. If we now lift up our air fryer, you see it will be stopped immediately. For our safety, of course. And then we can get it back in position, and it will start immediately again. Whoa, yeah! And if we are making a stop button again, there will be safety first, okay? That means an automatic cooling phase is be enabled. This will be in a minute. And after this, a minute, we can extract the upper thing and stop the engine from working. Of course, you should make this handle and use it as a taste. Oh, that was fun. Delicious and crispy. Okay, next thing is we are now perform this with the big basket, because the big basket needs an additional part. This is the additional part. Yeah, here we are. Because you see, it will be not good to get this in position on the basket. For this, we have here a lever. This is a lever, and this is a lock area. So that means I come with this air fryer, get this in position on the back side, and let it snap into the position on the front side. Now it is be gained to a bigger basket matching air fry system. Okay, and now the same thread here, I can get this on the air fryer machine basket, and if it is there, we are ready and can start with that. That's the same. We can make a setup or something else and go to start. After now, if we are in progress, we can switch again to choose that we can go down and up with the minutes. We are like to cook anymore. We can expand the cooking time. We can expand the temperature setting and something else. That's all possible, of course. If you like to shut down the system completely, let the start and stop button for a little bit, and then the counter will be immediately at a minute where we finish. It will be switched down the function of that machine again. So this is a safety shutdown process. But if the timer goes down, we get an information about the beep sound and our meal is ready for food. Really easy as you can see. And here's the same. After this process is done, you can extract your meal and have fun. Oh yeah. Really cool device. With a big and a small basket. And it is dishwasher machine safe. So you can get in a dishwasher out of my sign. I prepared to that. All these areas, this one, the glass and the additional lifter and so on. I think are dishwasher safe. Not this one. This is the electronic part. This should be hand wash with a cloth or something else. And then delicious meals are ready to serve. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you on my channel. That's it.